Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can start making a passive income from your Christmas gifts. Find out how to do it next. What's up guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, you're going to like this. This is how you can start making money online and a passive income online from your Christmas gifts without selling your Christmas gifts, right? This is how you can start today. All right. So most likely, if you was good, you got some Christmas gifts, right? Everybody got something. You got something from somebody, right? So why not do reviews on the gifts that you got? And what you can do is when you do reviews, you can refer people to the products that you're talking about and earn a commission. It's all about affiliate marketing, right? This is a great way to start making money with affiliate marketing, especially if you're new to the game. This is how you can get going. So there's several places that you can join up to be an affiliate, and you might even see videos people talk about this, but this is what you need to do. The first place people always talk about is Amazon. Now the thing with Amazon, yes, you become an affiliate, but you need to they call it an associate. You do need to have like some sort of website set up, a blog, anything, something simple, just to show where you will put ads at, because that's what Amazon want to know, right? If you already have some sort of blog or anything like that, or know somebody that do, you can use that and you can start with Amazon. It only takes like a second to get set up with them and you can start earning commissions. But if you don't have any of that, you can also try Walmart.com. You can become an affiliate of Walmart, right? You also can become an affiliate of Best Buy. You also can become an affiliate, which is, no one I really think about this one, but eBay. You can become an affiliate of eBay. All right, all you gotta do is go to any of these sites, usually scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it'll say something like join our partner program or become an associate or become an affiliate, right? Any of those um places, that's how you can find out. Or you could always go to good old Google and Google, Amazon affiliate program, eBay affiliate program, and it'll point you in the right direction. Now that's how you could do it. So say for example you got some sort, you can even do this for your kids stuff if you want, you know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to think of something. Okay, like I got a I got a new battle rope for working out. You know, the ropes you put that work in. Got one of them. So I'm actually doing this on my fitness channel. I got a foam roller, that relieves tension in the muscles, right? I'm gonna do a review on it, right? I got a tense machine, where you put them little, for pain relief, your little shock therapy thing. I'm doing a review on that. So every time you do a review, you just keep it real, talk about it, whatever it do, what do you think about it? All you gotta do is put a link in the description of the video saying, hey, if you want to check it out for yourself, link below, right? So this is a great easy way, and it could be fun too, right? Get on camera and just talk about what it do. Most likely it's something that you wanted for Christmas anyway, so you should feel comfortable talking about it and give your honest opinion. If you don't like it, you don't like it. If you do, you do, whatever. And then put your link below. All right, and that can really get you going. Another thing that you can do is become an affiliate of something related to the product. So say for example, you don't really want to do the Amazon, or you couldn't get with the Amazon, you couldn't do eBay, or for whatever reason, you can do digital products. All right, you can do digital. So you can go to places like ClickBank or JVZoo, places like that. Find products related to related to the your gift. So say for example you got a hypothetically, say you got a workout mat, for working out. You got a mat, you do a review on it, but you don't have an affiliate link, for a workout mat, which you should find one, but whatever. Say you didn't get you don't have an affiliate link for a mat, why not put an affiliate link to like a workout program that you can find, like, once again, Google workout affiliate programs, whatever. Digital products like ClickBank, JVZoo, they got all kinds of workout stuff. So you could do a review and then put a link, and you can say, hey, I know you got this new mat, guys. You definitely could check out, you want to use these mats, check out this workout program, link below, blah, 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 right? You get the point. But man, I just thought about this the other day, a couple days after Christmas. I'm like, because I know I always do reviews anyway, but I'm like, what about for people just getting started, like with affiliate marketing? This is how to do it. And why I sit there and say passive income, because once these videos are up, or if you put it on your blog, if you got a blog, people can find your videos next year for next Christmas. People might be doing reviews on stuff to buy someone, and they might stumble across your review, right? And then they could be like, oh, well, I want to get it for them anyway. They'll click your link to buy that gift for whoever they buying it for, and you're going to get that commission a year after the fact. 2 years later, I just spit on it. 2 years later, 3 years down the road. So that's how this could turn into a passive income. All right. So hopefully you learned something in this video. I gave you all I got on this one. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you gotta check out my #1 recommended program, which is Wealthy Affiliate. That is where you need to go if you want to become a super affiliate. All right, my link is below, and when you're over there, I will see you over there, and you will see me over there, because I post over there, content and stuff like that. So it's another way we can connect and make money. All right, so check out Wealthy Affiliate if you're trying to get into affiliate marketing. But even if you don't want to do that right now, what I just told you, you can get started with right now. All right, so hopefully you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you do, be sure to subscribe to this channel, because you see I'm bringing that content on the regular. Till the next time, peace. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out my #1 recommended program for making money online. If you want to be your own boss and be able to work from anywhere in the world, click the link in the description.